Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss about transformation of axis or change of axis MSET 2024 preparation. Some important models I am going to discuss now. Let us have a discussion. The first question here. The angle theta through which the areas are rotated so that the equation 9x square minus 2 root 3xy plus 7y square equal to 10 may be changed to 3x square plus 5y square equal to 5. Then the value of 2 cos theta. So this equation reduces to this one. Whenever transformed equation, it won't be changed anything, dear students. You remember here this equation compared with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. This is a value, this is 2h value, this is b value. Okay, what is the rotated angle formula? Theta equal to half into tan inverse of 2h by a minus b. So the respective values substitute in this. 1 by 2 tan inverse of 2h value is minus 2 root 3. Okay, are you getting all of it? By a minus b, 9 minus 7. So which is equal to 1 by 2. Are you getting all of it? Yeah. Tan inverse of minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. 2 to get cancelled. So theta equal to half into tan inverse of minus root 3. So 2 will bring this side. 2 theta equal to tan inverse of, this is tan inverse of minus theta is minus tan inverse of root 3. So how we will overcome from here? Better to do minus root 3, keep it here only. Tan inverse bring this side. Tan 2 theta is equal to minus root 3. Tan, when it will be equal to minus root 3, tan of 180 minus theta. So tan 2 theta is equal to minus, this can be written as minus tan 60. If you remove minus here, tan of 180 minus 60. So by comparing 2 theta equal to 180 minus 60 is 120. So theta equal to 60 degrees. So we got the value of theta, but they are asking to find, therefore the value of 2 cos theta, that is equal to, here I did not write options, so I will write that. So 2 into cos 60 degrees. So that is equal to 2 into cos 60 value 1 by 2 to get cancelled. The answer is 1. It is there in the first option, dear students. Similarly, the second question, this type of question. The angle of rotation of axis so that the equation root 3x minus y plus 5 equal to 0 may be reduces to the form y is equal to constant is. So this much place is enough. So this equation, first whenever formula writing is, whenever the given equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0 can be reduced to y is equal to constant, then the rotated angle theta will become tan inverse of minus a by b. Keep in mind, all of you. This is the circuit formula and key point. So the given line is root 3x minus y plus 5 equal to 0. Here a equal to root 3, b equal to minus 1, that is enough. So this equation will be reduced to y is equal to constant. Okay, whenever y is equal to constant, what is the rotated angle? Theta equal to tan inverse of minus a by b, that is equal to tan inverse of minus a value root 3 by b minus 1, minus minus cancel. So tan inverse of root 3, tan inverse of root 3 means 60 degrees. 60 degrees means pi by 3. 180 minus 3. So pi by 3 is there in the second option, dear students. We'll move on to the another question now. I will rub this. If the coordinates of a point P are transformed to root 2 comma minus root 2 when the axes are rotated through an angle 45 degrees, then P is A comma B, then the value of A plus B is so options 1, 2, 3, 4. If the coordinates of the point transform to, so new point capital X comma capital Y is equal to root 2 comma minus root 2. That implies capital X is equal to root 2. Okay. Now, capital Y is also equal to minus root 2. Rotated angle theta is given as 45. Am I right? So they are asking to find small values x comma y, old point. But here, old point it is given as a comma b. So what is the formula for small x? small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta, comma, small y equal to capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. Sir, where you are getting means, every intermediate student, you have to remember this table. Most of the students, they are aware of this table. Small x, small y, capital X, capital Y, cos theta minus sin theta. So from this only, small x equal to capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. That's what I wrote. Next, small y equal to capital X cos sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. So theta value 45 is given. Capital X value root 2. Root 2 cos 45 minus y value minus root 2 sin 45. Root 2 sin 45 minus root 2 cos 45. So root 2 into 1 by root 2 minus into minus plus root 2 into 1 by root 2 root 2 into 1 by root 2 minus root 2 into 1 by root 2. So both will be cancelled. Here root to cancel, root to cancel. 1 plus 1 2. Both are cancelled means 0. So a comma b values goes to be 2 and 0. Therefore they are asking to find the value of a plus b. So a plus b is equal to 2 plus 0, that is equal to 2. So it is there in the second option, dear students. So I hope you understand that. I will remove this and I will go to another question. The next question. The transformed equation of 4xy minus 3x square equal to 10 when the axes are rotated, through an angle tangent is to so the transformed equation of this one. So the options x square minus 4y square equal to 10, 4x square minus y square equal to 10, xy minus 10 equal to 0, 2x square minus y square plus 10 equal to 0. So not only that question but also another simple question. If the equation 4x square plus 2 root 3 xy plus 2y square minus 1 equal to 0 becomes 5x square plus y square equal to 1, then the rotated angle, theta is options 15 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees. This is the way the questions are there. See here, tangent is theta, 2 means tan theta equal to 2. 2 means 2 by 1. So by using Pythagoras theorem, tan theta definition opposite by adjacent side. So it will become root 5. Root of 2 square plus 1 square. So root 4 plus 1 root 5. So from this, sin theta and cos theta values 2 by root 5 and cos theta value 1 by root 5. Okay. After that, small x small values, small x equal to, in the previous question I draw the figure, no? So capital X into cos theta value is what? 1 by root 5. So capital X by root 5 minus capital Y into sin theta 2 by root 5. It means 2y by root 5. Small y equal to capital X sin theta now. Sin theta means 2x by root 5 plus capital Y by root 5. Substitute in 4xy minus 3x square equal to 10. So 4 into, in this LCM is same, x minus 2y here LCM is root 5, here also LCM is root 5. So we are multiplying these two, 2x minus 3x plus y. 4 into xy minus 3x square, this value whole square. X minus 2y whole square by root 5 whole square is 5 equal to 10. So now we need to simplify. So 5 bring that side. 4 into 2x square plus xy minus 4xy minus 2y square minus 3 into x square plus 4y square minus 4xy is equal to 50. So 8x square plus 4xy minus 16xy minus 8y square minus 3x square minus 12y square plus 12xy is equal to 50. Now we can simplify now. 8x square minus 3x square, 5x square. Next, 4xy plus 12xy, 16xy minus 16xy, all cancel xy terms. Now y square minus 12y square. So minus 20y square is equal to 50 dividing by 5. X square minus 4y square equal to 10. So the transformed equation, capital X square minus 4y square, 4 capital Y square equal to 10, which is there in the first option, dear students. I hope everyone understand that. Now come to this question. This equation will become 5x square plus y square equal to 1. Then the rotated angle, theta they are asking. This is A value, this is 2h value, this is B value. So theta, rotated angle theta equal to half into tan inverse of 2h by A minus B. That is equal to half into tan inverse of 2h What is 2h value? 2 root 3. A minus b, 4 minus 2. So that is equal to half into tan inverse of 2 root 3 divided by 2. So 1 by 2, tan inverse of root 3, 60 degrees. That is equal to 60 by 2 means 30 degrees. 30 degrees it is there in the second option, dear students. We will move on to the another question. Two more questions I will write, and I will stop, and tomorrow we will continue with that questions. One or two questions I will explain now. We continue by tomorrow. Tomorrow good questions I will explain. I will collect some questions which are very important. The type of questions we may get in the examination. The question here, the point 3, 2 first reflected in line, y is equal to x, and then transformed through a distance 5, distance of 5 units along positive direction of x-axis is the new point is k comma l, then k plus l is equal to so the answer is 20, 30, 35, 10. So these are the options. So to solve this problem, dear students, first the point 3, 2 first reflected above the line, in line y is equal to x. So whenever y is equal to x, reflected means interchanging x and y coordinates. So this point 3 comma 2 will becomes 2 comma 3. After that, and then transformed through a distance of 5 units along positive direction of x-axis. So for this, 5 units positive direction of x-axis. So what we have to do is this transformation. 5 units we can add to the x coordinate. So 2 plus 5. Suppose if it is negative means minus, you can do the students. Comma 3. So the new point 7 comma 3. This is equal to k comma l. So k is equal to 7, l is equal to 3. That implies k plus l they are asking their students. K plus l. So k value 7 plus l value 3 by comparing. 7 plus 3 equal to 10. It is there in the fourth option, dear students. Tomorrow also, either in the evening time by 5:30 or around 6, I will take another session in the change of axis with the different questions or transformation of axis. I will come with half an hour or 1 hour video with different models. I will explain. It will be help to the AMS 2024 preparation students, either AP or TS students. Thank you, dear students, for your support. Jai Hind, Maths with Panindra.